Hello, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. This is Bam Bam Bangla Food. আজকে আপনারা দেখাবো যারা মাইসে সর্দি ঠান্ডা যারা খফ আছে যারা সর্দি তা ফুটি যায় যারা আপনারা লাগে যে চা মালাই দিব একটা সুন্দর একটা চা আমার সামনে মালাইব. She's going to make the tea, which is going to be very good. Start off, we get a pot and then some water and put the fire on, and what we're going to put in as the ingredients, we're going to show you how you use the ingredients and use these ingredients like properly and safety ways. So we're going to start off with the mint.
Garden mint.
We've got our own fresh garden mint, as you see here, soaked in water, and
Khalida.
some kalajira,
Some roasted long and pepper.
some roasted long and cloves
and whole pepper.
and whole pepper, black peppers.
Whole black pepper.
Yes,
We got some lemon.
and also we have some lemons.
We got some grated ginger and whole gingers.
So we've got some grated ginger
Whole
and
ginger.
the whole ginger as well,
And some zara lebu.
and zara lebu, like a lemon sort of thing,
And
some bay leaves
Baileys and
cinnamon stick as well,
and
some
bit of jeera.
and some cumin seeds, which is known as jira, as you see here. So first we're going to start off.
We're gonna boil some
Let the water boil.
We're gonna put in the whole pepper.
So we're going to put some these grounded black pepper and the cumin seeds. Sorry, black pepper.
Some lemon.
Some lemon.
And we're gonna put the skin with it. Put the skin of the lemon with it. Some ginger.
Some gingers. Yep, there you go. There's plenty of ginger.
Ginger is quite good for inflammatory.
Inflammatory. Yep. My sister will explain everything to you.
It's good for get rid of mucus, coughs and stuff. And it's got good root for catarrh and loosen mucus. Some khalazira going there, roasted.
Roasted khalazira. Put some in there.
Some fresh mint. Mint's very good for you as well.
So mint is very good.
You need
Yes.
a bit of mint. The mint's very strong in this, so that's why I didn't put too much mint. And get some lemons. So the first lemon, and then lemon to get the more juice out. We're gonna roll it like this. That will
So
bring
to
the
get more juice out, you needed to do like this. Roll it.
Roll it out like this.
Plenty of rolling it, and then you get lots of juice out.
And that will come with the
So we're
best.
going to cut it in half.
That lovely.
Lovely.
It doesn't matter the seeds.
And then?
The seeds don't matter if the seeds of lemon go
Yeah.
in.
It's got plenty of the squeeze of the lemon juice out. If the seeds goes in, it doesn't matter.
You need half a lemon that will go in there.
Oh, well, sorry. Yeah, there's plenty of. Get them more. There's plenty of the juice. If you've got strong hands, you can squeeze out more. So.
Put in one sapata, just for a bit of nice colour. We're gonna put one sapata in.
One tea bag.
One paper just for smell. Got some bay leaves to go in there.
So lovely bay leaves, yep.
More bay leaves. We need three leaves ripped in there. Put some daikini. Daikini also, we're trying to get bay leaf. So we're going to put a nice
So we're going to put cinnamon sticks in there.
There you go, cinnamon stick going there. And finally not least, a bit of zira.
It's best to do the cumin seeds when you grind them as well. It's quite good, or you can put them as whole.
Three teaspoons of
So 3 tablespoons of cumin seeds.
no, 1 teaspoon.
So 1 teaspoon
1 teaspoon.
of cumin seeds.
Thank you. Zira funny, if you have zira and water, and you have everyday khalifat or methi as well, very good for losing weight as well.
So in a English way, describing it, if you have cumin seeds with water, with
or fenugreek seeds.
yeah, or fenugreek seeds, that's known as, and put some nice, called the methi leaves. If you put them in there with water and with a bit of lemon, and make sure you leave it, you stir it, and then you drink it in the morning, you lose weight. It's very good for you, and it helps with your digesting.
It
detoxifies your stomach as well. Detox.
Yeah.
So as you see, slowly it's coming up to the boil.
This tea is very good for coughs, cold. It's very good for you. Have this when you make a cough or cold.
Smashing, looks so beautiful. Also, I'd like to tell everybody this. Thank you for subscribing to my channel, and I appreciate it that if you keep on subscribing to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. Please like and share and comment to my channel. And press the bell on like as well, so you get all the notification. And yeah, and I hope you like this channel. There's lots of Bengali talks and stuff like that. Yeah, and I know people don't understand it, but I'm glad you know what we are saying in English as well. I'll translate it back to you as well. So yeah, so please subscribe to my channel and like and share and comment. And I'd like to have your comments and please your feedbacks as well, and think what you think of this tea. Make it yourselves as well, how we put it and how we did this. Make sure you do it like this as well. So yeah, thanks. As you know, so as all of us has got cold in the house, hay fever, cold, and some tough as well in the we've got some tough as well in the house. Yeah, sorry, I was just yeah, so got lots of tough and cold as well in the house. My son has got some tough as well, poor boy. Yeah, he's a lovely, my son is so beautiful, laughs at me, smiles at me when I see him. Beautiful.
And you can see the star colour looks
so the tea colours, as you see,
it's nice and light. It's just because the safata is, it won't give you too much colour, but when it comes to boil, it will give you the good colour. Okay. Oh, it smells wonderful. Yes, that's exactly what you need. Cloves are very good for your cough as well. So cloves has lots of benefits for your for your health.
Yeah, it looks so beautiful. It smells beautiful as well.
Cloves and cinnamon has loads of health benefits as well. Cinnamon's very good for lose weight. Also, it's good for your inside for your livers, lungs, and everything. For your guts as well. Also for lemon. We've also got ginger, which has loads of health benefits.
Yeah, so as my sister was as my sister was saying, as my sister was saying, she was saying, describing, we have people, someone laughing at the back. You know, she's a bit naughty as well. She's always talking and laughing. Yeah,
She's very
and
funny.
she's very
Funny.
funny. Yes. Yeah. So
walking up.
as we go back to this, as you see, this is lovely.
Ginger has good for inflammatory skin. So,
As we welcome back again. Sorry, we just had a little pause of video. So as you see, look at this. It's beautifully
tea
boiling
colour-
up.
The
The
tea,
tea.
colour looks lovely.
Yeah.
Look at that colour.
I'll let my sister talk. She'll do better. Describe
You
her.
can put honey in. You can put honey or sweet. So it's very good. You can.
Do you want to put some honey in there, shall we?
Yes, we've got some honey. Some honey. So we got some honey.
So we've got lovely honey. Just gonna squeeze out some honey. Oh yeah. Yeah. As you see, you can look at this beautiful honey coming up.
We'll put some honey in there. So we added the honey into my lovely tea, and now the tea is finished. I'll show you the lovely way to have tea. Okay.
The tea is ready. So the more longer you leave this, the tea, it will get more better and more better. So the flavor also more blends in. Plus, we're gonna put it in this clear, lovely cup. So we're gonna put it in this cup. Okay. So you can see. So all that flavor is now soothing and it's very good. As you can hear me, I know I've got cough and cold as well myself. But I'm gonna drink this tonight, and it's gonna be smacking in the good. It's good for sore throat, and it'll be better for everybody to try this. Make sure you get have this as well. What are you doing, Shannon?
So this is for the ginger that will go inside the tea, just for look nice.
So we're gonna add more ginger in the tea, in the cup, in this clear cup as well. So there's 2 cups there as well. So we're gonna put some in there as well. And some.
Zada levels.
Yeah. So we're gonna put some zada lembu, the Bangladeshi ones.
Just for great smell.
Yeah.
Straight from the pan. And now we're going to put it in. So get one of these. It's a bit of ginger.
So as you see, we put zada lembu in there
Lemon skin
and
and
some ginger.
And now,
So we're gonna put the tea in there now. So we're gonna use a spoon to do this.
the more the ginger pieces go in, the more.
Yeah.
It's better you chew the ginger with it as well. It looks very light in colour, but that's because of the lemon that made it a bit lighter, whereas a bit darker. But this is very good for you to have.
That's enough.
And there you go. You have this beautiful cup of
So this is the perfect cold and cough tea. If you have cold fever, and if you have very high temperature and cold, make sure you drink this tea. Look at this beautiful color. Make sure you drink this, and make sure you stay tuned into this Bam Bam Bangla Food. And I hope you like this video as well. I know it's we've done a bit of long video today, so stay tuned to my next channel, and I'll show you on the next video. Assalamu alaikum. Take care, everybody, and I'll make sure I'll pray for everybody who has cold and cough and people who has illness. So make sure stay calm and stay clear. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.